In this video, we'll be going over 10 harmful items in your kitchen that you definitely want to swap or throw out if you're struggling with chronic diseases or you just want to improve your well-being. Let's begin. Number 1, plastic containers. These can leach harmful hormone-disrupting chemicals like BPA, which is bisphenol A, and phthalates into your food and drinks. And this is especially the case when the foods are hot, acidic, or fatty. Be also wary of marketing claims like BPA-free, as in these cases, the alternatives are BPS and BPF, which have the exact same health concerns. So BPA-free does not mean plastic-free. Your best option is to switch to glass, stainless steel, or ceramic containers. We use glass ones, and yes, they are more expensive, but they're easier to care for, and unless you drop them, they will last way longer. Number 2, plastic cooking utensils. Similar to plastic containers, cooking utensils made from plastic can come in contact with heat and leach concerning chemicals into your food. In addition to microplastics, the same chemicals previously mentioned can disrupt hormones and pose other health risks. Your best bet is to switch to utensils made from wood or stainless steel instead. We personally use wooden spoons and spatulas as much as possible. Though pricier up front, they are naturally antimicrobial, sustainable, and will last much longer than plastic versions. Number 3, products made from bamboo. While bamboo seems like a sustainable material, most bamboo products like cutting boards, utensils, and furniture are manufactured using toxic binders and adhesives that contain formaldehyde. Formaldehyde is a known human carcinogen that off-gases from these products into your home. When possible, opt for bamboo products labeled hypoallergenic, non-toxic, or formaldehyde-free. Unfinished, naturally dried bamboo products are better as well. Ultimately, choosing wood over bamboo is the safest option for your health. Number 4, aluminium foil. Aluminium has been associated with health issues like Alzheimer's disease and breast cancer. Using aluminium foil for cooking can cause small amounts of aluminium to leach into food, especially when cooking acidic or salty foods. A way better option is to use unbleached parchment paper. We completely avoid aluminium foil in our kitchen, though using foil occasionally likely won't cause harm, especially when not in direct contact with food. It's best to take precautions and minimize exposure from all sources. Number 5, regular plastic trash bags. Standard plastic trash bags are made of materials like polyethylene and polypropylene that off-gas toxic chemicals like VOCs and phthalates, especially when new. These chemicals can irritate eyes, airways, and skin. Then, when the trash bags end up in landfills and oceans, they persist for centuries without decomposing, releasing chemicals over time. A healthier and more eco-friendly option is trash bags made of renewable materials like paper or compostable materials. Though pricier upfront, these bags break down within months. We use them to avoid exposure to plastic chemicals and reduce plastic pollution. Even small changes like these can make a difference if adopted widely. Number 6, Nonstick Cookware. The non-stick coating on your pots and pans contain PFAS, also known as forever chemicals like PFOA and PFOS, that can get into your food, especially when overheated. They're called forever chemicals because they're highly persistent and do not break down in the environment or human body. And because of this, they've been found in the blood and breast milk of both humans and wildlife all over the world. The entire planet is polluted with them. They bypass our immune system and accumulate in our tissues and organs, causing irreversible health effects like DNA damage and can even lead to cancer. Though replacements like Gen X are promoted as safer, chemicals in the same class often have similar concerning properties that take time to research. It's much faster to spin out a new novel compound and call it safe until proven unsafe. We talked about this in our very first video. And so we no longer use any non-stick pans or pots due to these health risks. Stainless steel, cast iron, and glass cookware are all much safer alternatives. Number 7, conventional cleaning products. Many popular cleaners contain concerning ingredients like ammonia, bleach, formaldehyde, and even phthalates. When inhaled or absorbed through the skin, these chemicals can cause headaches, trigger asthma, and other health issues. A safer option is to switch to plant-based cleaners with ingredients like vinegar, baking soda, hydrogen peroxide, and essential oils. You can also easily make effective cleaners at home using these non-toxic ingredients. We only use natural cleaners in our home to avoid unnecessary exposure to harsh chemicals. Though the fumes may not bother some, studies show even small doses of cleaning product chemicals contribute to problems like asthma, especially in children. So why use them when there are safer, gentler alternatives that work just as well? Number 8, receipts and thermal paper. When shopping, I never accept thermal paper receipts when offered. The coating on these receipts contain BPA and BPS, both of which can be readily absorbed through the skin. In fact, simply by touching a receipt, you're exposed to over 1,000 times more BPA compared to drinking from a BPA-lined can or bottle. What's more, hand sanitizers and certain lotions further increase this dermal absorption by up to 185 times, allowing these hormone-disrupting chemicals to enter your bloodstream rapidly. For this reason, I always refuse receipts when possible or immediately wash my hands after if unavoidable. Because why risk it when the hazards are clear and easy to avoid? Touching thermal paper is one area where small changes make a big difference over time. Number 9, tap water. Though deemed safe by the government, tap water is often contaminated with concerning substances like lead, chlorine, fluoride, pharmaceuticals, and microplastics. For this reason, it makes sense to filter water yourself at the point of use. Contaminants in tap water can have hormonal, neurological, and other adverse health effects with prolonged exposure. The best filtration method is reverse osmosis, which effectively removes these chemicals while retaining healthy minerals. A budget option is a carbon block filter. In our home, we use reverse osmosis and then remineralize the water with trace minerals and Quinton isotonic seawater. Drinking high-quality filtered water provides peace of mind and long-term health benefits that outweigh the small investment for a home filter. And last but not least, number 10, seed and vegetable oils. While we don't often discuss diet, avoiding low-quality oils is vital for health. Vegetable and seed oils like canola, soybean, corn, and cottonseed are highly processed at high heat. This damages the oils, creating inflammation and oxidative stress in the body. A better choice is stable fats like olive oil, avocado oil, coconut oil, and sustainably raised animal fats like butter, ghee, tallow, lard, or duck fat. We exclusively cook with these minimally processed fats. Though pricier, their stability and nutrient density make them well worth it for supporting good health. Heavily processed seed oils are ubiquitous in pre-made foods and restaurants, making home cooking with quality fats a beneficial shift for your well-being. Now, I hope you enjoyed this list and got some ideas for easy swaps you can make. If you want to know the brands and products we use in our home and that we recommend, check out the description. And if you're interested in more ways you can protect or enhance your health and well-being with trivial changes to your daily habits or home environment, then check out this video over here.